Are you ready to discover a phone that's bringing premium power at a price that won't break the bank? The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is the next big thing in Samsung's popular A-series lineup, and this time, Samsung is going all in to deliver a device that looks like a flagship, performs like a flagship, and yet comes at a much more affordable price point. Stick around till the very end of this video, because not only will I reveal every exciting detail about this phone, but I've also got a shocking surprise that's been quietly rumored about the Galaxy A57 5G, something that will blow your mind if it's true. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is designed for people who want performance and style without spending thousands of dollars. At its core, it's expected to come with the latest Snapdragon 7 Gen series chip, offering excellent speed and efficiency for multitasking, gaming, and everyday use. And here's the best part. This chip is paired with advanced AI features that learn how you use your phone, making apps load faster, managing battery consumption intelligently, and even improving your photos automatically. It's almost like the phone is working with you, anticipating your needs in real time. Now let's talk about the display, because Samsung is famous for its screens, and the A57 5G is no exception. It's rumored to feature a gorgeous 6.6-inch Super AMOLED FHD Plus display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, giving you vibrant colors, sharp details, and silky smooth scrolling. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite Netflix series or playing your favorite mobile games, the display is going to keep you hooked. And with slimmer bezels and a punch-hole design for the front camera, you're getting a modern, immersive viewing experience that feels straight out of Samsung's flagship phones. Of course, cameras matter, and the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is expected to carry a powerful triple camera setup. Reports suggest a 64MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 5MP depth sensor, giving you versatile photography options. With AI enhancements, night shots will be clearer, portraits will be sharper, and ultra-wide captures will look stunning even in challenging lighting. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in every photo and video call. Samsung's camera software is also adding more creative tools, so you can shoot like a pro without needing expensive equipment. Battery life is another strong point. The Galaxy A57 5G will likely pack a large 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through a full day and more without stress. And with 25W fast charging support, you can quickly top up and get back to using your phone in no time. Combine that with 5G connectivity, and you've got a phone that's future-ready for blazing fast downloads, smooth streaming, and lag-free video calls no matter where you are. The performance, display, and cameras all sound impressive, but here's where the suspense builds. The Samsung Galaxy A57 5G is rumored to launch in early 2025, and the expected price is around $499 in the US, making it a true mid-range champion. Samsung is clearly targeting users who want a powerful, future-proof phone without spending flagship-level money. But here's the kicker. You might not believe this, but leaks suggest Samsung could add an exclusive color finish to the A57 5G that looks nearly identical to the Phantom Black of the Galaxy S series, giving it a flagship look at half the price. So, the big question is, can the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G be the ultimate value phone of 2025? From what we're hearing, it's shaping up to be a serious contender, and it might just become the most popular mid-range phone in the US. And for those who stuck around till the very end, here's the surprise. Rumors suggest Samsung might secretly test a feature that allows Galaxy A57 5G users to connect two phones wirelessly to share charging power, something that's only been seen on premium devices so far. If this feature makes it into the final version, the Galaxy A57 5G won't just be a mid-range phone, it'll be a trendsetter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And keep your eyes peeled, because the next Samsung leak could reveal even more hidden gems about this phone before launch.